In this video, we will learn how to save each layer individually as a PNG file or JPG file in Photoshop. We will export these layers to PNG and JPG files. Click on the File menu. Go to Automate. Go to Generator Plugins. Enable Image Asset. Select any layer. Now double click on the layer text. Type any name. Then type .png. Press the Enter button on the keyboard. You can see a folder has been created. Our image has been saved in PNG. Save the other layers in this way. To save it as a JPG, rename it .jpg. Thanks for watching the video.